be moving with time, get to understand the question first, because now that might cost you. So it's saying of 115 students, right? I don't know if you guys are able to see. Of 115 students who attended an end of year party, 74 took Fanta, 93 took Sprite, 87 took Coke, 61 took Fanta and Sprite, 71 took Sprite and Coke, 60 took Fanta and Coke, and 50 took all the three drinks. I know, right? Okay. Please read this again. Of the 115 students who attended an end of year party, 74 took Fanta, 93 took Sprite, 87 took Coke, 61 took Fanta and Sprite, 71 took Sprite and Coke, 60 took Fanta and Coke, and 50 took all the three drinks. So the first question saying illustrate this information on a Venn diagram. Illustrate this information on a Venn diagram. All right. So now, how do we get to answer such a question? Okay. How do we get to answer such a question? No. Just give me a second. So how do we answer this question? We need to come up with a Venn diagram. Kindly tap the screen for me, guys. Kindly tap the screen. I'll appreciate. Let's take it to 10K if we can. Let's take it to 10K. So we construct a Venn diagram. Please, if these are Zambia-based exams, but what is important, in case you are not in Zambia, you get the concept and use it in the question that is being asked in your country. All right. You don't expect that the question will come exactly as they are in our country. No. Okay. But what I can advise you is get the concept. Get the concept. So we have what was the first drink? Fanta. We had Fanta. Then we have Sprite. Right? Yeah, Sprite. Then we have Coke. Okay? So when you have been given this question, right? If you have been given such a question, what you should do, all right, is you start with the one that intersect all the three. All right? Always start with the one that intersects all the three. If you have been given, make sure you take note of that first. So we have, is saying 50 took all the three drinks. 50 took all the three drinks. So we are going to fix that 50 right here. Okay? Then, after we are done with the one that intersect all the three, we come to those who are intersecting 2. Don't ever go with the ones that are individual first. It will hit you so hard that you won't understand. Always go with the intersection of all the three, then go for those now. Then after, then you can look at those. Mnasikia? Comprende? Capiche? Guys, am I communicating? So what we're going to do now is, we come for those who are intersecting now. All right? So we'll say, where? Okay. 71, where is it? Okay. Where are we starting? Okay. 61 took Fanta and Sprite. 61 took Fanta and Sprite. So this 61, already the 50 are occupying that space. Okay? Already 50 are occupying that space. The moment you go, unless the question says 61 took Fanta and Sprite only, then we can easily say 60 and Sprite right here. So we indicate 61 in here. But it's not saying only. That means the 50 have already occupied this. Because if we were to remove Coke, we still intersect it. This 50 will be there. And like that, you get the point, right? So we're going to say 61 minus 50. 61 minus 50, it's 11. So the 11 will be there. Bana Mungu, are you following? Are you following? You know, I want you guys to understand this because we are the champions again. So being taught by a citizen has to make sense, right? All right. So then we are from getting the 61. We come here. We say 71 took Sprite and Coke. 71 took Sprite and Coke. 71 took Sprite and Coke. So Sprite is right here and Coke here. So we are going to say 71 minus 50. 71 minus 50, we get 21. Very good. Then we come here. Says Skisty took Fanta and Coke. Skisty took Fanta and Coke. So 50 already there. So if we say Skisty minus 50 is 10. All right. So we are done with the intersections. Now we can go for the individuals. Okay. So we come for the individuals. So we have been told that 74 took Fanta. 74 took Fanta. So we are going to add 50 plus 10 is 60, right? 60 plus 11 is 61. So we say 74 minus 61. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 11, 71. So say 74 minus 71, we get a 3. We put it there. All right. We have 74 that took Fanta. Then we go to 93. These are 93, okay, who took Sprite. So the 93 that took Sprite, we have 50 here. 50 plus 21, we get 71. 71 plus 11, we get 82. All right. So without wasting time, we just simply say 93 minus 82. We are going to get 11, right? 93 minus 82, we get 11. Please confirm. 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 All right. Then 87 took Coke. 87 took Coke. So we already have 50. 50 plus 21 is 71. Plus 10 is 81. So we say 87 minus 81, we get 6. We'll come there. We are done with the information there. Is that it? Vambiri, you end here. Most of my good people, you end here. But that's not it. Here, the information saying there were 115. You need to confirm if this information that you have indicated is going to give you 115. If it's not going to give you the 115, the remaining, you put them in the universal. So we are going to add. So we say 3 plus 3 plus 11 plus 50 plus 10, all right, plus 11 without repeating numbers, plus 21 plus 6. Is it going to give us 115? It's giving us 112. So now we can subtract. We say 115 minus 112, we get 3. So these 3 had gases. No wonder they never took soda. They never took carbonated drinks. All right. So these 3, you indicate them there. Then now your Venn diagram is complete. This is when now you can hammer that 2 marks. Failure to that, you chew and code. So these guys, they were there at the party, but they never took any of those drinks. So the examiner knew that you'll be so excited that you will ignore the total of 115 students. All right. So you, when you complete, you feel like it's done. So you need to counter check. If it gave us 115 video, there will be no need of indicating that. So since we